Here is my 12-inch 1980s Crosley branded Lasko table fan. This thing is practically new out of the box. There's not a single scuff mark on it. Blades are translucent, blades are chrome. The clips are even clear, not a single spot of grime on it either. It's just absolute perfection. I'll turn it to the side. And the back. And it runs as good as it looks. No wobbles, nothing like that. Found this for $6 at a local thrift store. And I'll start it off on low. It's an extremely quiet fan. And medium. And high. Turn off the oscillating. Needs a bit of oil. Alright, thanks for watching.